On, Amber here, and have you been trying to figure out how to get rid of pet smells in your house? Then you've come to the right video. My name is Amber, and on this channel we talk a lot about house cleaning tips and tricks to help you save time and money. And trust me, this is a game changer because I'm going to share with you 5 simple and easy ways to help you remove a dog odor and pet smells in your house starting now. So first and foremost is you want to make sure that you're keeping up with removing a lot of your pet dander, hair, and debris. So that consists of constantly keeping up with your floors. And I know that's not what you're going to want to hear, but that's literally going to help you tremendously stay up with getting rid of that stinky stench in your house. Is because they shed, they leave drool, dander, all those different things that just constantly stay in our house. So do your best with trying to keep up with that as much as possible. That can be anywhere from vacuuming, constantly vacuuming, even mopping your floors and even sweeping your floors. Whatever you have to do, constantly keeping up with your floor multiple times is going to help you tremendously. The second easiest way to keep up with your pet odor and smell, if you need to and it's gotten super bad, you need to hire a carpet cleaner. They're going to help, especially if there's a carpet cleaner that has a cleaning solution that's environmentally friendly. Keep that in mind. When you're hiring a carpet cleaner, they're going to help remove some of that leftover urine, pet smells, debris, things that linger on that is like under the carpet that you can't even get yourself, or it's been, one of those pet stains that kind of sat over time that you did your best. Carpet cleaners are going to come in and remove as much as that as possible. Now, if you're dealing with more odor, pet smells and stuff like that, you're going to want to check out this video here. And I literally break down step by step on how to remove pet odors and smells due to stains. And so if you don't want to hire a carpet cleaner, then you can go to your local grocery store or a hardware store and just rent one. But make sure you pay close attention to the cleaning solution that you're going to use and making sure that it's pet friendly, but also doesn't have too much chemicals, because we have to breathe and ingest that. So keep that in mind. Now, being a pet owner, one little thing that I would say moving forward, if you do not have a lot or enough machine washable items, such as like the bed linens, the pet bed, area rugs, all those different things, you want to make sure that you're constantly keeping up with cleaning those items, because this is tip number 3, is making sure you remove your linens and you wash them often. Including your couch cushions, your covers, your pillows, the list goes on. Believe it or not, constantly keeping up with that is going to help you tremendously, because it goes back again to dogs. They, actually leave a little bit of urine, saliva, all those different things, dander, dirt, and that's where the accumulation of the smell comes from. So by keeping up with things and keeping them fresh and clean, it makes your home smell 10 times better, trust me. Tip number 4, since our pets are leaving a lot of dirt, dander, saliva, accidental urine, and whatever it may be, a little magic trick is, before you clean any of your linens, any machine washable items, just throw a pound of baking soda in there, and that'll help to remove some of that excess ammonia based smells that are the pets' urines and feces and stuff leave behind. That's going to be a game changer when you add that to your laundry. And to top it off, if you're trying to keep up with the pet odors and smells, using an enzyme cleaner helps to remove some of that pet odor as well. Trust me, it's a game changer. And the 4th thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're constantly keeping up with your home's air filters and vacuum filters, because if the smell is going in your house, they're going in your vents and everything else like that. So you want to make sure you're constantly, I would even say once a month, putting in new filters to make sure that you're not rinse and repeating that stinky smell in your home. I don't know if you guys notice, but like, we're accustomed to our pets. So when we have guests come over, it's a new smell for them. So they might smell something you're accustomed to. So keeping up and maintaining your home with washing your floors, your linens, cleaning pet waste right away, things of that sort is going to help us to not look like we're crappy pet parents. Let's be honest. And if you know, some of those things are a bit much, you can always just open up your windows, get some fresh air, even get an air purifier, take it to that extent to remove as much smells as possible. The last little bonus tip that I would even leave is, if you're lazy, such as me sometimes, you want to get like some essential diffusers in your home. You can use Febreze, scented candles, especially even adding flowers into your homes, just to give it a new fresh smell and fresh scent to revive your home, to getting rid of those pet odors and smells. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. And in the meantime, I hope to see you in the next one. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.